Good morning, everybody. This is how you start a Monday morning off. Running a nice big 540 cubic inch big block. This was a 650 build. I made 660 some horsepower, pulling to 5600. Beautiful. This is carbureted with an MSD distributor in it. This has got a full forged rotating assembly. We're running AFR heads. We got ARP main bolts and everything. We got a fantastic, this is an 850 carburetor. It's all dialed in for the customer. It's fantastic. It made 713 foot-pounds of torque and 665 horsepower. Beautiful. So again, here at Proformance Unlimited, it's building one engine at a time, custom built, your name on it. I take pictures as I build your engine to show you the quality of parts I use with your build. And then we make a video, of course, for you when we dyno your motor. Hey, if there's anything we can help you with, give us a call. We are #1. Peace. Good morning, Stan. I got your 71 Chevy Chevelle engine, 540. And these things are beasts, I'm gonna tell you. They are beasts, these big blocks. I'm gonna fire it up, give you a run demo. How's that? Do I got that carburetor set right, or what? Oil pressure is fantastic. AFRs are perfect. Okay. We're ready to go. Hope you loved it. Because I know I do. Where do you see the torque on this bad boy?